Today I'm going to show you how to remove the door handle from this Mercedes from 2017 S-Class. Okay, we will gonna have to open the door, and here you're gonna find this rubber cover. We're gonna have to remove this one. And you will gonna need the Torx 20 T20 to unscrew this screw to unlock the handle. Just like that. And then you have to slide the handle like this. This is it. This is how you remove the front door handle for this Mercedes 2017 S-Class. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to remove the rear door handle. Okay, we're gonna have to open the door. You're gonna have to identify here. You're gonna have this rubber. You're gonna have to take it out, and here on this big hole you have the screw with the T20. You're gonna have to put it inside and find the screw. And after that you're gonna have to unscrew it. You have to remove this one. As you can see, you can use a screwdriver, a small screwdriver, to take this one out, just like I did. First you remove this one, and then slide the handle back, and you can shake it a bit because he has to come out from the plug. And you have here, you have one plug, and you have here another one. So you have to shake a bit, and he's gonna come out. This is the way how you remove the rear door handle. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.